Ain't nothing more Monday than me coming to my shop and me hopping out of my truck and locking my keys in the car. So doors is locked, that door is locked. Ain't nothing like a Monday. Ain't nothing like a Monday, is it, you know? Locking the keys in the car, starting a Monday off crazy. But first things first, thank everybody. You know, I'm sitting outside of my lot waiting for somebody to come and lock my door for me. So sorry for the excess noise. But first things first, thank everybody who's been subscribed and already subscribed and been subscribed to me over the weekend, and everybody. Just thank everybody. I always, you know, that's first things first, how we always start the week. We gotta thank everybody, because without you guys, the channel wouldn't be keep growing. We're on our way to I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers. I'm like 26 away. So if you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel. And this video is just gonna be basically what a typical Monday is like for me. You know, Monday is the day where you just basically get things ready, and so to set up your week. So I'll be going to the salvage yard. I'm gonna show you guys going to the salvage yard, going to go get the paper tags. I'm gonna show you where I take my car to get them detailed at. I'm gonna show you where I go to get my keys made. Just all of that in this video. And if you guys want, like, I try to do my best to respond to as many people as possible, but if you guys could, I would really appreciate you. I mean, I'm not trying to come off like I'm begging or anything like that, but I would really appreciate you guys if you would just go join the membership on my page. It'll be the link will be in the description. The membership start off as low as 99 cents, and then $2.99 and $4.99. So I mean, you guys have a lot of questions. I try to do my best to answer as much as possible. But if you guys could, I'm trying to do my best to help and give out as much game and information as possible. So if you guys can help me out, like going to get a membership, you know, even if you're just going to get the 99-cent membership, will help out a whole lot with the channel and the growth of this channel. It'll really help out a lot. So if you can, and also I will have the link to some merchandise that I'm working on in the description. So I'll put that in the description as well. So if you guys can check that out as well. So if you guys can grab a membership, you can just the lowest membership, it just can be the 99-cent one. I really appreciate it. And if you guys can click on my merch website that I'm coming up with, and just give me you guys feedback on it, I really appreciate it. But let's get into this video. The intro has already been too long, so let's get to it. Y'all know where we at. It's a weekly thing. Every week. Me and the old man, we here every week getting something. Y'all know where we at. Back, y'all probably didn't see that, but y'all know where we at. Show y'all know where we at. Y'all see, LKQ. The fresh smell of the salvage yard. Look at that. You're taking all those rims off the tire. Getting all that easy money. Honda. Yep, 96 Honda. 96 Honda, what we looking at. That's that same Lincoln there. I wonder did they put the radio back in there. They probably didn't.
Check it back in there.
Yeah, if they know where it came, from.
Yeah. They like to throw the motherfucker in the dump.
Yeah, or somebody might have needed that radio and actually just came. Yeah, there was one like all the way down there. Let's see. Somebody needed parts off of this one, so this one. That one about strip clean. No, I'll go walk down there. I probably need the
fucking hot.
They should be all over here. They gotta be in this row.
Be down here somewhere.
They gotta be down here this row. Hondas, where you at? Luckily it ain't too cold today. A little chilly. I guess probably just cause I just got a haircut, so a little chilly on the back of it. Man, usually be a 10 million Hondas in here. Ain't seen a Honda yet. Seen a lot of Volkswagen. Yeah, they usually be up towards the front. This look, it's like a Honda right there, but I don't know what year it is. It's still an older Honda. Let's see what year this is. That's like a 2000 model, so it probably won't work. Yeah, it's 2000. Yeah, it probably won't work. Need something older. Need it older. Probably more up towards the front. Oh snaps! Yeah, they usually have the Hondas, Toyotas, and then everything. Now they just mixed everything, just like Tricky. We getting. Yeah, they getting too much money. They can't organize it now. They got too much money. Too many people walking in. What, you only need that one to turn, or you gonna need?
Sometimes you can get one of them to turn. If you can't get the other one to turn, you can fry it up and it'll come out. Yeah. You gotta keep it up.
It don't look like this in too bad of a shape. Look like
it's all still there.
It's all still there. Yeah, make a key to it and work. I'll make it work. If not, they'll fix it. They're taking everything out these Hondas, don't they? Need everything out of them. We found another Honda. Honda. Where you at? Oh, Hondas. Where you at, my friend? Honda. It's a 2000 Honda. Let's see. They got the knobs on there. Are they different? Nope, that's different. Oh shit. Oh snaps. Probably should have bought some white shoes, but we'll be alright. Nope, they ain't got no knobs in there either. Man, I'm just looking for one of those little knobs. Be the smallest thing that you need to find. What, 95 Honda? Did we get lucky? Nope. Nope, somebody already took that ignition. We got any knobs in here? Nope. No freaking knobs. That's all I need is one of these knobs right there. So hard to find. Let's keep. We'll keep it until we find it. So, got the radio. I can't need it. See how much the radio costs. Nah, I ain't find one knob in none of these Hondas. It's like they either just gonna take the whole front of the Honda. Well, yeah, we just about to get out of here. Wasn't nothing spectacular going on. Just quick trip for a radio. See how much the radio costs. It's getting cold out here, windy. Whew. Yep, trip to LKQ. So we're about to take this Trailblazer to the detail shop. Yeah, it's a little ugly. Could use a paint job, but that ain't gonna affect me from selling the car. You know, a paint job, that's all it needs. You know, it's running, it's sounding good. We about to take it to the detail shop. You know, got a grill, bumper. This ain't the white one that y'all seen in the other video, but we're gonna take it to the detail shop though. As you can see, look at that interior's so dirty. Look at that. Look how dirty that interior is. Y'all see that? Y'all see how dirty this interior is? We're gonna see if my detail guys can bring it back to life. So, dirty. You see that? Dirty. Airliner dirty. So we got some errands to run. So we about to go drop this down to the detail shop. I'm gonna show y'all where I go. It's right literally down the street from my lot. Then we got a little more errands to run, and I'm gonna show y'all what we doing. So you know, trip to the salvage yard with some errands. Just a typical Monday. So let's get up out of here. Let's get up out of here and go to the detail shop, and then we're gonna make the cut. And then, like I said, we're gonna do a couple more errands, and y'all gonna see what a Monday is like for your boy. Down the street. Down the street, we just pulled off at the parking lot, from the lot. Literally, the detail shop is not that far away. So gotta get that panel put on better, because that panel really ain't on. It's just propped up there. It really ain't actually even on there. Show y'all the detail shop that I use. It turned out one car pretty good and really good, so they quick with the turnaround. So let's pull up. Like I said, what, we 30. Detail shop 30 seconds away from the lot. That's it. 30-second little drive. Let's pull up. Here we go. As y'all see, we're pulling up. So now the car is dropped off at the detail shop. Now on our way to get the paper tag, so I'll show you guys where we get the paper tags. I know I showed you this guy in another video, but we're gonna show you again, and we're gonna show you the cost of it. So on our way there, so let's ride. Y'all see we in the truck rolling. You know, I don't know, this truck might be my daily little driver truck. You know, we never know. So let's get to it. As y'all guys can see, ain't too many things, ain't too many places that I use far away from my lot. See, we on Southeast. We're gonna exit here on Southeast 89th Street. You know, I'm on Southeast 59th Street, so we're gonna exit here on Southeast 89th Street. So, show y'all the exit on 89th right here. Right here, this is where you go. If you're looking for the paper tags, if you're in Oklahoma City, if you didn't know where to go. And then you get off on Southeast 89th Street, right here by this Loves and all this stuff right here. Then you make a right at this light. Make a right on Southeast 89th Street. Let's go. Show y'all the route. Running early with the dog and stuff. And you're gonna pass there. You're gonna pass all these places. And we're gonna show y'all where to go to get these paper tags. You know. So now, as you made a right on 89th right there, you're gonna get in your left hand lane right here on Shields. You're gonna make a left here on Shields. Getting closer. After you make a right on Shields, your turn will be coming up shortly, because this is going to switch from like the 92nd, then it's going to switch to like 134th or something. It's coming up though, because it's going to switch from 92nd to 134th, I believe. Not yet. Now it went from 35th. See, because it went from 97 to Northwest 35th, and then my bad. See, now we're on Northwest 34th, which is stupid, but I don't make the rules. So now we're on Northwest 34th, and you make that right. And you drive a little bit, drive a little bit, drive a little bit, and bam. And right here ducked off. Some of the sign got knocked down. But I'll show you the other sign here in a second. But this is the building where you come to get your paper tags. So that's the name of the place. You see the signs is down at the moment, but that's the name, the number, and everything. So as y'all can see, got my stack of paper tags, stack of 60. My two-sided tape, and show you guys the cost of. Ain't nobody coming behind me, so show you guys. As you can see, cost is $91.74. So the price of the tags, $84. You got 60, basically $1.40 per tag, I guess. You got 60. And then you got $7.14 worth of tax. That brings your grand total to $91.14. So total is $91.14. That's your grand total. So now we're on our way to go get a key made for that Honda ignition. So as you guys can see, we were at LKQ, so now we're going to need to get a key made for this ignition. So that's where we're going next, and I'm gonna show you where the place I go and how much they charge to do that. So let's get to it. So if you need a key made, this is the place I use. It's called Tech Lock. As you can see, I got my lock and we're going to Tech Lock. They usually make keys for like $51, but I have to get a key made for the ignition, so it's gonna be a little bit more. And it's literally down the street from my lot. My lot's on Southeast 59. We're on like Southwest 59. So. That's it. We're on Southwest 59. My dealership's like on Southeast 59, so it's really literally like down the street. So they have like a couple of locations here in Oklahoma. I don't know if it's in other states, but I'm pretty sure you can get a key made in any states around the same price. But if you're here in Oklahoma, this is just the place I use, you know. So let's get in here and get it done. So drop the key off, about to get the key made for the ignition. It's gonna cost me about 15 bucks. So that's not bad. Get a key made for the ignition. You know, it's 15 bucks. So if you need a key made to the ignition, you know, they really get you taken care of. I don't have the receipt from them right now because they're not done, but they told me it's gonna be about 15 bucks and some change, like 15.91 or something like that. So as you guys can see, that's just kind of what a Monday is like. You know, Monday is all about getting things ready, you know, getting stuff ready for the week. So as y'all can see, our salvage yard, drop a car off to get detailed, go pick up some paper tags, get a key made for a car. Now it's time to go back to the shop and try to sell some cars today. So that's to go. I gotta go clean up one car, so I do need to go to like a 7-Eleven or something, grab some cash so I can spray off a car. So that's what we're gonna do. So that's all we got for you guys in today's video. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. I will see you guys again tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. You know, because the grind don't stop. It just starts over again. Appreciate you guys once again. I'm out. Peace.